feeling like there's never enough time in the day? Well, what if 5 new AI helpers could slice hours off your busiest week? Stick around, because these tools could be the game changer your productivity needs. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to get more done in less time with a little help from some smart technology. I've handpicked 5 of the best AI productivity tools of 2025. They're versatile, easy to use, and can save you hours whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or remote worker. Let's jump right in. First up is Motion, your AI-powered personal assistant for task management and scheduling. Motion automatically organizes your calendar and tasks so you always know what to work on next and when. Imagine you have 3 work projects, a team meeting, and a doctor's appointment. Motion takes your deadlines, priorities, and available time, then magically slots every task into your calendar, reshuffling things if your schedule changes. Productivity maxed out. Next is a fan-favorite Notion, AI which now takes organization and documentation to the next level. Notion AI summarizes meeting notes, generates ideas, and finds answers buried in your company documentation instantly. You're prepping for a team meeting. Instead of digging through 10 pages of past notes, just ask Notion AI to summarize last month's action items and get a quick, clear rundown so you can come prepared. In at number 3, it's the legendary ChatGPT, your all-purpose virtual assistant. ChatGPT handles everything from brainstorming to research to drafting emails just by chatting with it. Have a tricky customer email to write? Ask ChatGPT to draft a thoughtful reply. Or give it a long article and let it summarize the key points in bullet form. The possibilities are endless. Fourth on the list is Otter.ai, your AI-powered meeting transcription buddy. Otter automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings so you never miss a detail, even if you're multitasking. Whether you're in a Zoom call or brainstorming in person, just run Otter in the background and it'll generate a searchable text transcript. No more frantic note-taking, and you can review or share the highlights with teammates later. Last but not least, check out Canva Magic Studio for creative productivity. Canva's AI-powered features let you instantly generate designs, tweak images, and create polished presentations. No graphic design experience required. Need a standout social post, a new logo, or an engaging pitch deck? Just describe your idea to Magic Studio and the AI drafts beautiful visuals in seconds. It's like having a design team in your pocket. There you have it, 5 AI productivity tools that can help you reclaim your time and supercharge your workflow. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop your favorite in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips every week. See you in the next one.